Yo, what's going on, everybody? John Vitt here, back with a brand new video. So today's video, what we're going to be seeing is a simple house wash. Okay, we made $200 for this job. Basically, all we're doing is a simple house wash for this job, and you'll see here that we did a little pool deck, little concrete patio in the back. Right here, man, I'm telling you guys, I'm loving my X-Jet nozzle. So the setup that we have currently is I am running a 3.5 GPM pressure washer and with a DeWalt, and on the nozzle you can see here that I've got the X-Jet without the hose. So basically all that I'm doing is rinsing with water. There was no mold or mildew on this house, so there was no bleach to be used on this house. So all I was doing was, the customer wanted me to remove all the cobwebs, and I made a post about this on Facebook, in our Facebook group. But basically this one customer has 15 different properties in the Tampa Bay area that he wants me to service. So I got this job for about $5 through Facebook ads, and we wrote a contract up for a little bit over $10,000 to service all 15 properties 2 times a year. So that was a pretty cool little return on investment, and will set me very highly profitable for this month of July to make about $40,000 through Facebook ads. If you want to go ahead and earn money and get customers like this through Facebook ads, send me a text at 843-888-2371. And basically what I'll do is we'll set up a free strategy call to where we can work one-on-one, and I'll go in about an hour-and-a-half phone call. First off, I'll overlook your Facebook page, make sure everything looks very professional. Secondly, I'll go over the Facebook Messenger, Facebook page manager application with you, how to upload unique content to your business and respond to your customers through messaging. And lastly, I'll go in and set up profitable Facebook ads for your business. So send me a text if you're interested in something like that, 843-888-2371. And I want you guys to enjoy the rest of this video. It was a very easy job. We woke up at 8 a.m., set it up, and we're done for the day. So easy $200 in the bank. And now we're gonna go ahead and help some guys out with their Facebook ads. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. As always, all my links to my equipment is in the description. If you need a J-Rod, I do sell those now. I've got very fast shipping and affordable prices, so head over to johnvitt.com. We've got a Facebook group that I'd love to have everybody in, and I've got a private mentorship one-on-one group where me and you would work together. It's a $50 one-time lifetime access, and me and you would work together one-on-one to get your business to $30,000 a month, just like I did. So if you're interested in something like that, head over to johnvitt.com, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. I'm gonna be washing the house and finishing off the concrete and then bouncing. All right, so thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of this video.